Minister Victoria Busingye Rusoke najyango kubinga beji amashomero nomuze mubi ogo guriyo nugarara ebyobwegese nyuma kandi nkiteganisa entegateka ya government na munonga eje yabona bashome ebyombekirwe omwanya ogu harimu main hall administration block oburaro bw'abeegi gate y'ishomero hamwe na tank z'amaizi ebi bitira omumana aba Mission Australia Bank ya Uganda na government ya Uganda.
Anything you agreed upon be between you, the school and the parents. Utilize us. Let us make sub-county bylaws, town council bylaws, but don't make the student a victim of the failure of the parents. The Education Act is very clear. Uharare ensonga yekuita kulemesa exercise ya wana kusoma. If there is any reason that will hamper teaching and learning, and you know it can be solved by parents, go and ask for permission.
We mukuru w'ishomero akose mu gishogo aho kusima avona bakwatireho
water tanks from Bank of Uganda. A federal water tank donated by Jesse, funded by Simavi. Hand washing facility funded by IRC. One 10,000 liter tank donated by Missouri Government Foundation of Fort Portal.
Minister Janet Kata Museveni ahirisha merere milioni 10 omusente za Uganda eziresirwe Minister Victoria Busingye Rusoke. Amakuraga gasha kwa Jonan Tsengwere.
The personal assistant rang me and said they wanted my account now.